Hello, I'm Christina Hollis, one of the lead instructors for the Digital Media program at Texas State Technical College. I'm excited to see you're interested in our graphic design degree, but before I get into the courses we teach and the skills you'll learn, I want to take a moment and discuss our unique teaching modality, Performance-Based Education. Performance-Based Education, or PBE for short, is a modality designed to help you focus on mastering specific industry skills needed in the graphic design field. In the Digital Media program, you'll find all the course lectures and hands-on learning assessments in a fully online environment. You'll be required to take assessments along the way in each course when you are ready. Your mastery of the content can vary based on your previous experiences and proficiencies. You'll have the flexibility to determine how much time you need to spend on a specific course assessment, as long as you master the content by the course completion date. Once you've submitted an assessment for review, your instructor will evaluate your work and provide detailed feedback, allowing you multiple opportunities to master the assessment. This model fits how the graphic design industry works today. Whether you're working for clients or an art director, you will perform revisions to your work to perfect it before it lives in the real world. How you learn isn't just about what happens in the classroom, but what happens outside of it as well. Many of us work to support ourselves and our families, which can make getting a degree difficult, and for some of us, impossible. PBE provides that additional flexibility for you to learn around you and your family schedules and time constraints. Now that you have a good grasp on what PBE is and how the Digital Media Department teaches in this modality, let's discuss the courses and skills you'll obtain as you move through the program. First and foremost, the Digital Media Department runs as a design school. We'll teach you how to use tools like the Adobe Creative Cloud, but we'll also teach you how to think, speak, and perform as a professional graphic designer. Most people think that graphic design is creating art that has no purpose. In actuality, graphic design uses a lot of problem-solving skills. Designers use their knowledge and skills to create visual solutions for companies and clients, helping them reach their end goal in the marketplace. Graphic design is really more of a business skill than an art skill. Designers will learn how to study consumer profiles such as demographics regarding age, income, education level, etc. in order to present the right visual style to attract a very specific customer. Throughout your time at TSDC, you'll work hard to expand your critical thinking skills through research on many facets of graphic design. TSDC's funding comes from you getting a great paying job once you leave our classroom. We work with industry leaders to find the skills you absolutely need to be employable. The instructors build these skills into every aspect of your time in the program. Our program uses only the Adobe Creative Cloud software, which is now a fully online subscription that you'll be required to pay for. These subscriptions run around $32 a month. Once you get further down the journey in our classes, you'll receive more information on the software and how to purchase it. In Semester 1, you'll be required to take Typography, Design Communications 1, Vector Graphics for Production, a general elective, and TSDC 1102. If you already have Gen Eds completed, you can replace that requirement with another DMD course. You'll also not have to take TSDC 1102 if you have 24 hours of prior college credit in any discipline. Okay, let me take a minute and give you a general overview of each of these courses. Typography is the study of typefaces and type layout. You'll learn how to create visually pleasing layouts using type in order to get your message across to the viewer. Design Communications 1 is the foundation of great graphic design and will walk you through the elements and principles of graphic design, color theory, the creative process, and so much more. Last, Vector Graphics for Production uses the software Adobe Illustrator, showing you how to make vectorized graphics for your design pieces. In your second semester, you'll be taking Digital Imaging 1, Design Communications 2, Fundamentals of Photography, and a Math or Science elective. Digital Imaging 1 is all about photo manipulation using Adobe Photoshop. Design Communications 2 walks you through the entire creative process to build real-world projects from a logo to product packaging. Last, Fundamentals of Photography teaches you how to use a DSLR camera to capture everything from portraits to photographs used in advertisements. In your third semester, you'll be taking Digital Imaging 2, Digital Publishing 1, Digital Video, and a Humanities or Fine Arts elective. Digital Imaging 2 is a continuation of photo manipulation, but will add in elements regarding photo retouching with digital painting techniques and so much more. Digital Publishing 1 will walk you through the basics of good layout design when it comes to publications, brochures, and advertisements for print production. Last, Digital Video 1 uses the same DSLR camera you used in photography to teach you the foundations of a great shot, audio capturing, and editing film for production. In your fourth semester, you'll be taking Interface Design, 3D Modeling or Advertising and Sales Promotion, Advanced Digital Video, and a Social or Behavioral Science. Our Interface Design course walks you through the psychology of a great website and mobile app design. Next, you have a choice between the 3D course, which walks students through creating 3D models that can be used for packaging mock-ups or so much more, or the Advertising and Sales Promotion course that takes students deeper into the psychology of why consumers make the buying decisions that they do. Last, you'll have the Advanced Digital Video course that dives deeper into video editing, filming, and animation. In your last semester at TSTC, you'll be taking Web Page Design 1, Interactive Digital Media 1, Portfolio Development, and another general education elective. All of the knowledge that you obtained from the Interface Design class will be put into full real-world projects in Web Design 1. Interactive Digital Media will walk you through building interactive campaigns for video screens, menu boards, and so much more. And last, you'll take all the work you've created over your time here with us and build your portfolio to be used in obtaining a graphic design position. As you see, with our program, you'll be graduating with a lot of useful skills to use in the graphic design industry. If you have any more questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to us for more information.